We're in Daytona 1, right in front of the Daytona Hotel. That's right, it's called the Daytona. So this is Daytona 1. This is what we can get into. Hey everyone, this is Adam. So I didn't really shoot much of a video today. Only have like maybe 20 seconds of a video. Me and Jordan went to Daytona 1, which is here in Daytona Beach. We went ahead and just had like a snack at Ben & Jerry's, which was really good. And we also went to a place called Rock Bottom Brewery and Restaurant, which is also really good. Definitely worth going. But yeah, we didn't shoot too much due to an emergency. So I do apologize for the length of the video, but we'll still share it with you what we have took. But we'll probably go back again sometime soon, just to try to shoot one more time there, whenever we can. Now, as far as everything else, like I said, SeaWorld was a no-go today. We didn't go to SeaWorld at all today. Yeah, so it has not been a good weekend. But I did promise a video. So this is the video. We'll have another one coming up very shortly. So thank y'all so much for staying with us. I'd like to thank all the 20 subscribers that we have for sticking with us. Please share please share our videos with your family and friends, and also please subscribe down below for those who have not subscribed yet, and also please click the bell notification so that way you'll be updated whenever we have new videos. So this is Adam from the Gilos, and y'all have a nice day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and have a wonderful day.